Making music for a child's heart, body, and mind.
Letter T, available in single song download by The Learning Station. Hey, Funky Monkey, subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified each week when we put up a new video.
Let's learn about a letter in the alphabet. It's so much fun. Let's learn about one letter T. Letter T, letter T. Let's write that letter in the alphabet. It's so much fun to draw one. Hold your pointer finger here. Draw the letter in the air. Follow me and you'll see an uppercase T. An uppercase T. That's an uppercase T. That's an uppercase T. Now a lowercase t. A lowercase t. That's a lowercase t. That's a lowercase t. Now use your voice. Let's make the sound of the letter T. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta.
All together now.
Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Now use your eyes to see some words that begin with the letter T. Turkey. Tuba. Tent. Tooth. Now we learned about the letter T. Letter T. Letter T. Letter T.
There's a red heart that magically appears somewhere in this video. Please let us know where you find it in the comment section below. Click on the images to subscribe to our channel, visit our website, and view videos or playlists. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up to like this video, and please leave a comment below. We will reply to you.
Letter T.